Hello, everyone. Today we will talk about a special skill. This skill can change your life. It is the skill of conversation. Do you want to talk better? I will teach you how to make people like you with just a few words. This can make your life easier and happier. Stay until the end of this video. I will share one magic phrase that can improve any conversation. You can use it right away. Why conversation is so important. Our life is full of people. We have family, friends, and coworkers. Good relationships with these people are very important. Good relationships make us happy, and good conversations build good relationships. But sometimes talking is hard. We feel nervous. We say the wrong thing by mistake. This can create problems. It can hurt people's feelings. It can also hurt our own feelings. Today, we will learn how to stop this. The biggest mistake in conversation. First, let's talk about the biggest mistake people make. Think of a conversation like a game of catch. I throw a ball to you. You catch it. Then you throw the ball back to me. It is a game for two people. The ball must go back and forth. But many people forget this. They only throw the ball. They talk and talk and talk. They do not wait for the other person to throw the ball back to them. This is not a conversation. It is a speech. A real conversation is about sharing. It is about giving and receiving. The first rule. Think about them. The most important rule of conversation is simple. Think about the other person. That is the secret. Before you speak, take 1 second. Ask yourself a question. How will my words make this person feel? Will my words make them happy or interested? Or will my words make them sad or bored? This one small thought changes everything. It is the difference between a good conversation and a bad one. When you think about the other person, you show that you care. And people like people who care. How to start a conversation. The power of small talk. Meeting new people can be scary. You might think, what should I say? The answer is to start small. This is called small talk. It is a very useful tool. You can talk about something you both share. For example, the weather. It is a very sunny day today. This is a safe and easy start. Or you can talk about the place you are in. This is a very nice coffee shop. The other person will likely agree. Now, the game of catch has started. After the small talk, ask a simple question. The question should be about them. Did you travel far to get here today? This shows you are interested in their life. It makes them feel good. And the conversation can grow from there. What to do with rude people. Sometimes we meet people who are not nice. They say rude things. They ask questions that are too personal. This can make you feel bad. You do not have to accept rude behavior. You can build a wall to protect yourself. You can do this with your words. You can say, I am not comfortable talking about that. This is a polite but clear way to stop them. Or you can say, that question is a bit personal for me. Your voice should be calm, but your message is strong. This teaches people how to treat you. It shows that you respect yourself. How to handle hard conversations. Sometimes we must have difficult conversations. Maybe you need to say no to a friend. Maybe you need to give some bad news at work. These conversations are hard, but they are necessary. For these talks, try to speak face-to-face. Do not send a text message. A face-to-face talk shows respect. It shows you are not hiding. When you need to say no, you can be simple. You don't always need to give a long reason. A simple, "I am sorry, but I cannot do that," is enough. Being direct and honest is often the kindest way. It avoids confusion and false hope. The magic phrase, "I promised." Now it is time for the secret I promised at the beginning. It is one simple phrase. This phrase can make any conversation better. It can make people feel heard and valued. Are you ready? The magic phrase is, "Tell me more." That's it. Just 3 simple words. Tell me more. When someone is sharing a story or an idea, listen carefully. When they pause, look at them and say, "Tell me more." This phrase does 2 wonderful things. First, it shows that you are truly listening. You are not just waiting for your turn to speak. Second, it makes the other person feel important. It tells them, "Your story matters. Your thoughts are interesting to me." People love to feel understood. When you make someone feel understood, they will like you, they will trust you, and they will want to talk with you again. Your new life with better conversations. So the secret to great conversation is not about being clever. It is not about using big words. It is about the other person. Listen to them. Think about their feelings. Show them that they are important. Start with small talk. Protect yourself from rude people. Be brave in hard conversations. And always remember the magic phrase. Tell me more. If you practice these simple things, your life will change. Your relationships will become stronger. You will feel more confident. You will connect with people in a new way. And you will find that life becomes a little bit happier, one conversation at a time. Thank you for watching.